So today, Babe is going to be making a TikTok video.
No, I am not a TikToker.
Babe is a TikToker. Actually, what she's going to be doing is she's going to be doing the TicTok Tortilla hack, and then leftover ribeye steak, some eggs, cheese, making a breakfast quesadilla.
Yeah, babe.
Super simple recipe. It's going to be a fun little video, and there's going to be a surprise in the video. An Easter egg, if you will, because Easter's coming up.
That's great.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready to TikTok it?
I am not a TikToker.
All right, and here we go. What you got going on here, babe?
Well, I'm grating some cheese. I got our steak cut up. This is our leftover steak from last night, and it was phenomenal. We made 2 steaks, so we had a lot of leftovers. I'm grating some Monterey Jack cheese. And then I'm gonna crack my 2 eggs, and I put a little something special in there. This is my little secret that I put in my eggs. Creme fraiche.
From Trader Joe's.
From Trader Joe's, makes your eggs phenomenal. My kids beg for more eggs. So, let's start with the eggs, the scrambled eggs. Let's hope I don't get any shell in there. I learned about creme fraiche from you, actually, babe.
I learned about it from Gordon Ramsay.
And you used to make these
Gordon Ramsay eggs?
Gordon Ramsay eggs that were delicious, and we haven't had them in years. So I put about a tablespoon and a half in there of my eggs. It mixes in pretty easy. It just gives this delicious, delicious flavor.
And butter.
Okay, so they're the most fattening eggs on earth, but they are the most delicious. You know, restaurants don't skimp on the fat.
And neither does Babe.
And neither do I. We don't have the good eats that we have by skimping.
Yeah, there you go, babe.
Yeah. Okay.
So you're gonna cook the eggs.
I'm gonna cook the eggs, I'm gonna heat the steak up, and then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna show you how to put this thing together. It's gonna be epic. And then I'm gonna heat it up in the cast iron to make magic happen for your breakfast, babe.
Okay, so while Babe is babing, right back there, very exciting announcement. Do you see the excitement on my face? We're doing a giveaway. And the giveaway is an awesome little mug. What are they called? Like stainless steel double insulated tumblers, but this isn't a tumbler. This is a coffee mug, but you could put a mixed cocktail in it and it'll keep it very nice and cold. So this is laser engraved. Let me see if it will show you. Laser engraved with our logo on it. Brand spanking new. Awesome. Coffee mug. Keeps your coffee super hot for a long time, or your cocktail super cold for a long time. Right, babe?
That's right.
That's right. So, how do they win the mug, babe?
Well, hopefully they're watching the video.
Hopefully you guys are watching the video, because there you go. All you have to do is leave a comment below on this video. I'm going to package it back up really nicely in the little thing. We're going to put a Josh and Babe sticker. It's not called Josh and Babe anymore, though. But we're going to put a sticker in there for you guys, too, whoever wins the mug. And all you have to do is comment on this video and put #mug in your comment. Now, if you leave a comment that says, like, oh, please stay connected or something like that, like we get some of those, you're not going to win. #mug. I'll put it on the screen. #mug. On this video, we'll let it go a couple weeks, and then we will do a live stream, and we'll use a random comment picker that will randomly pick a comment, and we'll see if you have #mug, and then whoever wins, you have to be in the United States, though. You have to be in the United States. We can't ship it international. Whoever wins in the United States, we will ship you this package and this awesome little mug that will keep your... Oh, hello.
Hello.
I was just talking about our giveaway.
I know.
Is it time to build?
No, I gotta heat the steak up.
Oh, now she has to heat the steak up.
My
And then
eggs
it's
are
time to build. Okay, there you guys go. Awesome giveaway, because we want to give back to our followers. We really, really appreciate you guys. And while Babe is cooking, let's roll our top tier channel members right now across the screen. All 8 of you, thank you so, so much for being a top tier channel member and hitting that join button. And to everybody that's hit our join button, regardless of what tier you're on, thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate you. You make Babe and the eggs and the steak and the cheese very happy.
And
right,
you.
Babe?
Yes. And
Right.
You're happy too.
And I'm happy too. All right, mug, Channel members, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's build a quesadilla.
All right. Here's how we do this. So you start with a cut right in the middle. You're only going to do one cut. Okay? So you can fold it. We have to start with our steak.
I would, if you're going to fold that up, though, right there.
You think I should do the steak last?
Maybe. I don't know. Because that's a hearty amount of steak, babe.
Okay. Good looking out, babe. Good looking out.
Let me just, thanks. I just,
Yeah.
you're going
like
to sample that.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good.
I saw that.
Oh my gosh, it's just so good. It really is. You did a fantastic job. Okay.
That's a heavy amount of steak.
That's a lot of steak.
Yeah. Next.
We'll do eggs right here. This is 2 eggs. This is going to be a big...
You're still
big
folding that one up. Your eggs are going to dump into your cheese then, right?
Yeah, because I want that to melt.
Oh, okay. Oh boy, this is going to be a juicy quesadilla, babe.
Yeah. So I have my cast iron going.
Yeah, babe. Here, let me help you. Let me be a hand model.
Okay. I'm just going to put cheese on both.
There you go, babe. Look. Oh,
Is
there
that
you
good?
go. Yeah,
Is that
there
better?
we go.
I'm going to put some Cholula on there. Is that good? Tell me how much you want.
That's good. Yeah.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just for a little zing.
Okay. Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. We start here. We go here.
This is going to be massive, babe.
Yeah.
Maybe that should be the title of it. Massive Breakfast TikTok Quesadilla.
Heck yeah, that should. And then last fold here. Oh boy. Okay.
Babe, this is pretty big.
Yeah. Well, I like it big, babe.
I guess so.
You know? I like my men big and tall. I like my cars big and long.
Wow.
And I like my quesadillas huge. Can you see it?
Yeah.
That looks pretty good.
Okay.
All right, so I put some avocado oil in here. I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down. And we are going to get it nice and hot. And nice and brown. It's gonna be so good.
And here she is.
Okay, are you ready? Oops, sorry.
I'm ready. I'm ready, babe. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready. All right. It's got some nice crunch. Okay, let's see what a mess I can make.
Oh, we gotta take a thumbnail, babe.
Oh,
A
yeah.
thumbnail.
Whoa. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me get a close-up. Oh yeah, babe. Show us. Show us the goodness, babe.
Oh, boy.
Oh.
And look it. The steak didn't get too overcooked either. It just kind of made it perfect. Ooh, okay, it's burning my hands.
All right, babe. Are you ready for the goodness?
I'm ready.
Is this gonna burn my fingers off? Oh yeah. Oh.
It's pretty hot.
Oh boy. Look at this. Is half. This is half. This is literally half.
It's pretty honkin'.
It's pretty honkin'. Yeah.
Pretty honkin' big.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, here you go, babe.
Good job.
Steak is still tender.
Yeah.
A little bit of the fat from the steak is dripping, which is delicious.
Very good. And my face is very bright on this side from the window.
My eggs are...
Very
Bomb.
bright. Very good eggs.
I don't even like breakfast. And I like this.
No. No.
Good, babe. Here, you want a napkin
No, no,
or a
no.
towel? That's very, very good.
All right, you guys. Ooh, that was good.
I know.
Make my nose run.
Yeah.
I like it. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you all. Good job,
Thank
babe.
you.
Good job.
Quick, easy little breakfast with leftovers.
There you go. All right. We'll see you on the next video.